how to get backup codes on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. And then click on Account Center. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Password and Security. After you click on Password and Security, click on Two-Factor Authentication, which is below Change Password. Click on Instagram. Then click on Continue. In here, you'll find your security code. And this is how to get backup codes on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below.